Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 13th to 17th October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in Gold USD or XAU USD on Friday. So as we can see 1.03% positive move, 4017.12 was the closing on Friday. So here I'll be talking about what could happen in coming week. Also I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first over here. Let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. Currently if I talk about stochastic RSI is around 100, which is indicating as a overbought level. But as we always say, we should not always depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which helps the pair to move, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. Currently, as you can see in this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish momentum, non-stop bullish momentum, which is a bit of a unhealthy momentum in the technical wise. So currently we can expect a bit of a negative move in coming week. Currently let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon for such weekly analysis. Also, I have marked some important support and resistance zone during our previous week analysis. So we have already some important data which will help us to take better stop loss and target levels. So currently I am completed my analysis and the marking. So let's now talk about important support zones and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So currently if I talk about the closing, 4017 was the closing. Here the direct support is 39.99. Here the direct resistance is 40.40. After direct support, there is a support of 39.80 and then 39.60. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4081 and then 4120. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're looking for any currently prop firm which will help you to take funded accounts, and if you're from India and looking for such platform, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Gold USD for this week. Currently my expectation is a bit negative. I'm expecting a negative move around 39.80 to 39.99 or 4000 level. In this range I'm expecting a closing. If you're looking for any bullish trade, then only go for bullish trade once 40.40 gets closed, breach and close above this level, 40.40 level, then you can go for a long tail 40.80. So these will help you to take a better target and better stop loss with a confirmation once this level gets breached. According to my analysis, I'm expecting a negative move. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.